there's the center of my box.
Okay, that's the outer edge. Now this side, do it on this side.
Okay. To 19 5/8 would be that many.
We have a ceiling tiles R5, and we want to put center on the center of the light, which is going to be here. And now we try to put measurement exactly, and then we're going to put first tile.
Okay, got it.
I hope you're not stretching too far.
I'll just go on.
Here's 185 exactly.
Okay, here goes the pull.
Alright, tighten it up. 185.
We try to put chalk on the center.
Is that a shadow? Oh, you did mark it. Okay, it didn't come all the way down.
I'll come down. So that
Okay,
it's
I came down. Now pop it. Got to go by.
we're a quarter inch off right there.
Just made
Only a quarter, but that's
up the line.
Okay, I'll wait, see if you find something more.
Now we have to cut the circle of the center tile and make the hole,
which is 4.5.
and measure how much it is there on the ceiling.
Exactly
Where's
4.5.
your little pencil?
Now we're going to start cut.
I have it. Oh. Yep, you're right.
Just pencil, put circle around, nicely, smoothly. And there's you see the circle. That's where it's going to be cut. You need the box cutter. Gentle.
Well, I'm probably pressing too hard for first go around.
Perfect, Jack. Perfect.
Perfect. Beautiful.
I keep going.
Just a box cutter.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do it 2 times because I'm pretty sure I didn't break through. I can turn it over.
Turn tile upside down and just repeat the same steps. Circle. Exactly hole for a light to get through. So now we put up.
We got something. Oh, the chalk. It's turning it black. Sorry.
That's good.
I was wondering where that came from. And there's your
Done.
hole.
Perfect. It's going to be exactly hole for these lights. That's the ceramic tile we're going to use for this project for construction adhesive. For steps from ceiling tile. That's the first tile. Have a hole which we already cut, and we're going to do installation.
She is off the line.
Yeah, because there's where it's supposed to be. That line.
We need just these tools, which it's a measurement tape, box cutter, ceiling tiles, and mastic adhesive tile. Mastic adhesive mastic. So we're going to start to apply first tile. Mastic on the first tile. We just got a spatula and we apply mastic adhesive nicely, smoothly.
How's that?
A little thicker, we need little thicker.
A little thicker.
And we're gonna put on each side.
Okay.
Wonderful.
I would stay back a quarter of an inch.
Little maybe stay like quarter inch out because when you start to apply, yeah. Good.
Okay, that's definitely thicker. Okay. Next corner.
No, only do the corners?
I gotta do around that circle for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, a little thicker. Hey. And I'll smooth you out.
Yeah, on each corner it's very important, and after you could apply around the sides, each side of the tile. And also we need to apply
The
on it.
full length?
Yes. Only. Wonderful. That's wonderful. Absolutely perfect. And you always, if it's go a little out, you always could take off a little bit with your finger or with the spatula. That's absolutely perfect. Nicely, smoothly apply the glue. Now it go around the circle and go on the sides, which is perfectly going to be stick to the ceiling. And that's, you could use also power grab, Loctite.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it up to my half inch.
Yeah.
We take the
And
tile,
don't press too hard.
we
It
try
does
to
leave
put on the
fingerprints.
ceiling right where is the center of the lights, which it was already pre-cut specially. And that's how gorgeous it's going to be. Looks, you gotta go smoothly,
Kind of use the back of your hand.
nicely, put the tile, and
Yes.
very smoothly with your finger or just hand, put tile up.
I'm gonna have to cock it around this.
You got mastic on a spatula, and now you have to apply smoothly to each side. Little of the side, and when you press, it's gonna come straight to the side. That's how you put mastic. Wonderful. You could take with the spatula as much as you don't need, and apply to another side very smoothly. That's the tile ready to be applied. Now we're gonna apply to the ceiling. Second tile. Put edge to edge, nicely, smoothly. Very nicely, smoothly with your hand, smooth each side of the tile. And you could wipe as you work it around. Design R5 was painted already with the white color also. Now it's going. That's the ceiling tile and molding
molding.
M23.
Yes.
It's beautiful styrofoam ceiling tiles and the moldings, and it's gorgeous. Now we have a
The kitchen.
S1 on the kitchen. Install ceiling tiles, and it's no problem with the lights. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous. That's how it is. Another ceiling tiles, which it's a living room, and it looks beautiful, nice, neat, clean ceiling.
And this is the design that they don't make no more, remember?
We will order them.
Yes, yes. But they got a new one now coming out.
So it's beautiful kitchen with the styrofoam ceiling tiles, and you could do it yourself project. You could glue it yourself. Be nice, neat, smooth, and no stain from any water. And that's how it's. Yeah.
That's it, yeah? You did that also?
Moldings, M23, styrofoam, and the ceiling tile is styrofoam It looks beautiful, neat, and you could install any lights around.
Okay, well, it'll take
That's
you
how
about,
it's. Now we apply mastic to the ceiling. Each side have to be applied smoothly, nicely. And then we're gonna apply to tile to ceiling. So it's continue to put ceiling next to the tile. And it's gotta be side to side. And now you have to put smoothly, nicely, little tiny press with your finger. And with the material, nicely press smoothly.
oops, you come down a little bit though. And line this corner up.
Yeah, you could move a little bit. You still have a chance to move around
Yeah.
15 to 20 minutes if you don't apply well in the first place.
Barbara, can you tell from down there how it looks?
Looks very good.
Okay, good.
Here it's a paint you could buy from a local store, from your own Home Depot or Lowe's, and here it's a spray painter painting machine. You could buy it in your Home Depot, local store, anywhere. And when you paint it, it looks smoothly, nicely. You could apply very, very well done. Each tile looks absolutely gorgeous. Next tile apply, R5, styrofoam ceiling tile, already put mastic on the side. And then we try to put each corner, each side next to each other. And then smoothly, neatly take small material and nicely press, nice and smooth. Clean and neat.
Are you mashing in the middle too, Jamie, with the
Yes.
other?